Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of UPSC Geology Degree Colleges Exam 2012 question paper, and I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NetGate, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 3. First question, the limestone terrain is subjected to weathering effectively by A. Physical process, B. Chemical process, C. Biological process and D. Radioactivity process. So the correct option is B. Chemical process. Limestone areas are predominantly affected by chemical weathering when rainwater, which contains a weak carbonic acid, reacts with limestone. So B. Chemical process is the correct option. Next question. If the light is transmitted with the same velocity in all directions, then such substances are said to be A. Isotropic, B. Anisotropic, C. Opaque, D. Transparent. So the correct option is A. Isotropic. If light is transmitted with the same velocity in all directions, then the substance is known as isotropic. Isotropic means uniform in all directions. In an isotropic substance, the velocity of light or refractive index does not change with the direction. Next question. Stalactites and stalagmites are formed in the A. Basalt terrain, B. Granite terrain, C. Limestone terrain, D. Charnockite terrain. So the correct option is C. Limestone terrain. Stalactites and stalagmites form when water drips through limestone rocks and dissolves the calcite in it, and the water picks up the carbon dioxide from the air and organic matter, which reacts with the water to form carbonic acid. This acid dissolves the calcite, which is then carried into the water as calcium carbonate, and when the water drips into the cave, it releases the carbon dioxide and the calcium comes out of the solution, forming calcite again. So stalactites and stalagmites are formed in the limestone terrain. C is the correct option. Next question. Movement of solid particles by wind is known as A. Deflation, B. Attrition, C. Aeration, D. Abrasion. So the correct option is A. Deflation. Deflation is a type of wind erosion that occurs when wind removes fine and dry particles from the top of the soil layer or sediment layer, and this process can expose rock fragments that are too heavy for the wind to lift. So movement of the solid particles by wind is known as deflation. Next question. Metamorphic changes in rocks with response to A. Mineral association, B. Chemical composition, C. Mineral composition, D. Pressure and temperature. Metamorphic changes in rocks they change with response to pressure and temperature. So metamorphism is the process by which the rocks change due to the increased pressure and temperature and can result in new minerals or larger crystals. Next question. Find out the mixed rock from the following. A. Basalt, B. Migmatite, C. Rhyolite and D. Dacite. The correct option is B. Migmatite. Migmatite is a mixed rock made up of metamorphic and igneous components, and migmatite is a coarse grained heterogeneous rock that is a combination of metamorphic and igneous material. So that means hence the name is mixed rock. So B is the correct option. Next question. Trachyte generally possess one of the following structure. A. Flow structure, B. Non-flow structure, C. Vesicular structure and D. Granular structure. Trachyte generally possess a flow structure. Trachyte often displays a trachytic texture where acicular to tabular feldspar phenocrysts align in one direction, suggestive of a flow prior to cooling, and trachyte lava is of moderate viscosity and forms thick lava flows and domes. Next question. The mineral which indicates metamorphic intensity and characterizes a particular zone is known as A. Itard mineral, B. Index mineral, C. Relict mineral and D. Reaction mineral. So the correct option is B. Index mineral. An index mineral is a mineral that indicates the degree of metamorphism a rock has experienced and characterizes a particular zone. So B. Index mineral is the correct option. Next question. Macular structure is typically under contact and thermal metamorphism of A. Argillaceous rocks, B. Arenaceous rocks, C. Calcareous rocks and D. Rudiceous rocks. So the correct option is A. Argillaceous rocks. Macular structure is characterized by a spotted appearance of the rock that may be caused due to the formation of large size crystals called porphyroblasts within or otherwise fine grained rock as a result of thermal metamorphism of argillaceous rocks like shale. So macular structure is typically developed under contact and thermal metamorphism of argillaceous rocks. A is the correct option. Next question. Green schist facies is synonymous to A. Low grade, B. Medium grade, C. High grade and D. Very high grade. So the correct option is A. Low grade. Green schist facies is synonymous to low grade. Green schist facies is a type of metamorphic rock that represents a lower metamorphic grade. So green schist facies is synonymous to low grade. Next question. The generalized symbol for cube is A 111, B 100, C 110 and D 210. So the correct option is B 100. Next question. The luster of glassy substances is known as A vitreous, B pearly, C silky, D adamantine. So the correct option is A vitreous. The luster of glassy substance is known as vitreous. Next question. The difference of two refractive indices is A biaxial, B uniaxial, C birefringence and D isoaxial. The difference of two refractive indices is known as birefringence. Next question. The chemical composition of quartz mineral is A Fe2O3, B MgO, C Al2O3, D SiO2. So very simple, the chemical composition of quartz is SiO2. D is the correct option. Next question. The streak of magnetite mineral is A black, B cherry red, C blue and D colorless. The streak of magnetite is black. Next question. The chemical composition of hematite is A Fe3O4, B Fe2O3, C Al2O3 and D FeO. Chemical composition of hematite is Fe2O3. Next question. A simple instrument that can be used for the measurement of strike of the beds is known as A lactometer, B altimeter, C thermometer and D clinometer. Simple instrument that can be used for the measurement of strike of the beds is known as D clinometer. Next question. The contour lines in the topo sheet represent A similar heights, B similar temperature, C similar compositions and D similar pressures. The contour lines in the topo sheet represent similar heights. A is the correct option. Next question. The color of the powder of a mineral produced an unglazed white porcelain plate is known as A streak, B hardness, C cleavage and D fracture. So the correct option is A streak. Streak is the color of fine powder of a mineral. Next question. As per the Mohs scale of hardness, the diamond has hardness of, very simple and straightforward question, A 9, B 3, C 5 and D 10. Diamond is the hardest substance according to the Mohs scale and it has a hardness of 10. D is the correct option. Hope you have followed the question. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time.